This video will give a brief demonstration of the process by which a user can export data captured within Castor EDC into an AnalytiXagility workspace. So first of all, you need to log into Castor. And once you've logged in to Castor, you'll see a list of the different studies or trials that you have access to. Upon entering a study, you'll see a list of all the different participants that have been entered into that study. And if you wanted to export that data, you would navigate to the bottom right of the screen and click Export Data. There are a number of different export types available within Castor EDC. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to click on Upload CSV to SFTP. Now you can select whether to export the entire study or to export specific visits within that study. And once you've made your selection, click Export. First of all, you will need to enter the host name. The host name is simply the SFTP address that each AnalytiXagility workspace is assigned. And if you don't already have this information, you can retrieve it by contacting the Iridia service desk. Next, you will need to enter your username and password, and these are simply the same details you use to log into AnalytiXagility. Finally, you will need to enter the folder. The folder is simply the name of the workspace / data. And if your upload is successful, you will receive the following message. What we'll now do is navigate to the workspace and see that data. So I've now navigated to the AnalytiXagility login portal. After reading the terms and conditions and selecting I agree, you will be able to enter your login details. Upon logging in to AnalytiXagility, you'll see a list of the different workspaces that you have access to. I exported the data from Castor into Iridia demos, so I'm going to click on that workspace. Upon entering the workspace, you'll be taken to the home page. There are a number of different links within the home page that take you to different areas within the workspace. For example, the scripts section, the data section, or the documents section. You can also open up the R console or view the virtual desktops available to that workspace. There are also some other useful resources at the bottom, for example, a link to the user guides. If you enter the summary page, you'll see a list of all the different activity that has occurred within the workspace. And you'll see that the data I exported from Castor is now available within the workspace. I can take a look at that data in more detail by clicking on the hyperlink. And you'll see each of the fields that were represented within the electronic case report form within Castor are now represented here within the workspace. I can have a look at that data in its raw format by clicking Data Preview. And here you'll see the data that was actually captured within the electronic case report forms within Castor EDC. There are also a number of different visualizations that I can generate within this workspace by clicking Visualize. I can select histograms or box plots. Let's take a look at the day 0 BMI of the participants within my trial. And this is just one example of a visualization you can create within a workspace. I can save this to my computer, or I can choose to export it into the workspace for the rest of my team to see.